Welcome back. We're today doing an oil service on a 4-stroke dirt bike. So for this, you're gonna need gloves, something to put your oil in, and a napkin. So usually I don't do my own oil service. I usually just like take it somewhere, and they'll do my oil. But I thought I'd learn it how to do it myself. So we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna show you how to do it for my first time. First thing you're gonna want to do, apparently you have to start your engine and heat up the oil somehow. So this makes the oil, it comes out of the bike better when you start the engine. You'll also probably need wrenches. I just went and bought my first wrenches from a tool store for like wrenching the bolts off or something. I don't know. You're gonna have to Google where your oil drain bolt is on your dirt bike, because I don't know, I just Googled mine and it's on the bottom. So first you're gonna take out this bolt here and try and break that puppy loose. The loose caboose. All right. Okay, I think I'm doing this right. As far as I know, I'm gonna pull this out. Oil is gonna shoot. And there you go. That oil's pretty black, I will say. I bought this bike used on payments from this other kid. I haven't done an oil service for it. Hasn't got one at all before. That's why the oil might be a little bit black. I know it has like 170 hours, I think. After you get all that built up oil out of there, then just go ahead and put your screw back in. It's pretty easy, self-explanatory, quite simple, quite obvious. Just screw it on. I read in the owner's manual that when you're running the motor and stuff, oil gets somehow it gets all trapped in here in this little spot. So I'm gonna remove that. These nuts are really tight. They're not coming off for me. God, how do you even get these off? Okay. Okay, well, there's some oil. I don't really know what this is, but I guess it's probably supposed to come out too. Just comment down below if you know what that is. Just kind of wipe it up. Proceed to back reinstall this. Once you get all the nuts tightened and all tight and everything's all tightened up, after that, then it should be ready to go. Then you just, yeah. Am I forgetting something? No. I think I forgot something. Is that what that's for? The window? I thought that was just so how much you could see was building up so that you could just take it out. The motor naturally creates the oil, right? The glass on the side is, you see how much is in it and you're like, okay, you need to get it out, right? Oh no. I did a little bit of research and it turns out you actually are supposed to, you're supposed to put oil back into the bike. You're supposed to take it out and then just put more in. Doesn't really make sense to me that you would take it out and then you would put more in. Kind of seems like a waste of time. So I had to run to the store real quick. I didn't really know which store that you are supposed to get oil from, so I just went to a regular grocery store and I found oil. It's Signature Select, should do fine. I went and got one of these as well.
Get out of my neighborhood!
And okay, and just pour it in. Once you get it filled up, put your screw back on. This time, when you look at the window there, see, now there's actually oil in it, and I guess you're supposed to have that in there. So now we'll see how it does now that it's there, right.